SPM 1994 question. This one is a bit more difficult because you need to rearrange the equation first. See, when it comes to rate of change, like I said, you need to find out or identify the rate that you're given. Now read the question. What are you given? U changes at the rate of 2. That means du dt is 2. Okay? And what are we finding? We're finding dv dt. Read the question. Rate of change of v. We're finding dv dt. So we have to use dv dt. So what do I put here? du du. You replace it. But dv du I have to find. To find dv du, I have to rearrange the equation first before I can differentiate. Yeah. So you go back to your this equation. We make v as a subject. So I bring over, this is 1 over 3 minus 1 over u. Okay. Then I cross multiply u minus 3u. Remember this, rearranging the equation using algebraic formula. We invert, this is v, 3u, u minus 3. Now at this stage we can differentiate already. So when you differentiate this, what do I do? What formula do I use? Quotient rule. Now again it's uv. It's a bit confusing because in quotient rule we call the numerator is u, the denominator is v. So happens this formula is also u and v. So we start with your v, which is u minus 3, u prime. Differentiate this, I get to be the numerator, differentiate the denominator over u minus 3 squared. And we don't have to simplify because we're going to find at the instant u is 4. So we put 4 inside. 4 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 4. This is 4 minus 3 squared. So it's 3 minus 12. Guys, 3 minus 12 negative? Negative 9.
So means it actually saying
sorry, I shouldn't write dv du. Sorry. Yeah, dv du. And this dv du is negative 9. I'm going to take this here. So my dv dt is negative 9 times 2, negative 18. This one.